These 3 hacks changed everything for me. Today I'm sharing 3 life-saving makeup hacks that instantly level up your makeup game and make your routine feel so much more professional. We're focusing on skin, eyeliner, and lips, basically the full glow up. So if you want to know what those tricks are, stay with me till the end. First hack is reverse base routine plus clean brush blend. You know, all the time you apply foundation and then you set it with powder and setting spray, but this time we're gonna do the reverse. First, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and you know that this step is essential. Second, with a fluffy brush, apply your setting powder. The first time I saw this on TikTok, I thought that it never works. This gives you both a flawless base and also a long-lasting effect. Okay, we're done with setting powder, and now I'm going to use my setting spray. And as usual, we let it dry. It's optional, but you can also apply primer in this level. This technique is just going to shock you because you'll have a very perfect flawless base. First, I'm going to spread it all across my face. I can see that even before blending, it is flawless. The first time that I used this technique, I was shocked. I mean, not only it gave me a flawless base, but also after like 10 hours, I still had that flawless skin. If you need your foundation to stay all night, this technique is definitely yours. Once the foundation's on, I always take a clean fluffy brush to blur any cakey spots. This is the brush that I'm going to use. This technique works on everything, you know. It works for your concealer, for your foundation, and blush, especially cream blushes. In this way, you get rid of the extra amount of your product on your skin, and you'll have a more natural result. You see, I look flawless. And also, this lasts all day. Before we dive into the next hack, let me complete my look with my bronzer and blush. You know, it's not related to the hacks, but I just wanted to complete everything. Next hack is related to eyeliner, and by using this hack, you'll have the easiest winged eyeliner of all times. If you're not perfect at lining your eyes, this technique is definitely yours. Take an angled brush, and you can use your brown eyeshadow or maybe your contour, it doesn't matter. But what we're going to do is that we're going to line them up before eyeliner. Sketch the wing first with brown shadow. You put your brush like this to the outer corner. And in this way, you'll have your eyeliner. This technique is way more forgiving. So much easy, so much fast. You don't have to be professional in doing this kind of eyeliner. You know, if you mess up, you can easily clean it up with a clean brush. I'm trying to clean the edges a little bit with this clean brush to create a better result of this winged eyeliner. You see that? Now we're going to repeat the process for the other eye. I'm going to put my brush like this at the outer corner, and then I try to create a winged eyeliner. See that? No extra effort is needed here. And I try to clean it with another clean brush. This technique is perfect for those who are not able to draw eyeliner perfectly. And you know what happens? Once it's done, you can take your liquid eyeliner. It's going to be quite easy for you guys who have never applied eyeliner. And what I do is that I just trace over it with my liner. You just have to feel your eyeshadow. I'm quite satisfied with the shape. So it's actually a seriously game changer. For drawing this eyeliner, you don't need any tapes. That's it. I'm gonna complete my eyes with some mascara to show you the final result. This is it. Last hack of the day is going to change the game. How to have fuller lips effortlessly without doing much and also without using lip liners. And instead of overlining your lips with lip liner, you just use a very small brush and you take your contour. All I'm going to do is that I'm just going to add a touch of contour on my Cupid's bow and my bottom lip, but just in the center, not in the corners. This creates a shadow as if your lips are bigger. I'm in love with this technique because, you know, I have narrow lips and this technique instantly gives me a fuller lip look. And then you can apply your lip gloss, your lipstick, everything. Or maybe you could just leave it the way it is. So I'm just gonna take my liquid lipstick to show you the final results. And you know, you don't have to overline anything. It works. When you add your lip color on top, the shadow that we created above gives this a natural lift. It is as if that you have fuller lips in the center. That's it. Easy and flawless, don't you think? These 3 hacks fix the struggles I used to have with my base, liner, and my lips. They're fast, easy, and they seriously changed my makeup game. Try them and tell me which one's your favorite. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more beauty tips and hacks. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye!